yeah, this is how the story gets generalized. Okay, especially the love story. And where do you begin? It's an art. Everybody, thank you so much for joining me and watching this video right now. Hope you all are fine today. Yes, this is Arich, back to the station, back to you people, and back on time as per my promise, right? So yeah, so today, before I get into the topic or object today, I would like to say that yeah, from now on I would be trying my level best to shorten my videos, okay, as much as possible in terms of the minutes. It is basically easy, okay, to get done with me, with you guys as well. Alright, so I'll be trying my level best to do so, just because time has fell away. Okay, you got your work, and in the meantime, you were just getting to check this out. But if it is crossing 10 minutes, that would be kind of too much, right? So that's what I'm thinking of. So this is why basically I decided to do so. So yes, let me know how is it going to work for you, and that's it. So let's get to check this out today. The video that I'm going to react over, it's been requested by Tommy G. De la Cruz. So special thanks to Tommy, because Tommy made me aware of the music I'm going to share today with you guys, right? So yeah, let's get to see whether this music can make us cry or not, and we'll be talking about it right at the end. Right? So till the end of this video, don't move anywhere else. Stay with me, and let's get to check it out together. Stay with me.
Everyone here tonight has a love story to tell. And I mean everybody.
Really?
But when that story is put into music, that love story becomes eternal.
Really?
Tell the story of how great a love can be. A sweet love story that is older than the sea. A simple truth about the love he brings to me.
No.
I have no answers now, but there's much I can say. I need him till the stars all burn away, and he'll be there.
Regine Velasquez, everybody. Wow.
Tommy, as you made me aware, I am aware about the lyrics behind, story behind, and whatnot. So that's why it couldn't actually make me cry. Okay, but I would say pretty great song. Okay, because yeah, this is how the story gets generalized. Okay, especially the love story. And where do you begin? It's an art. Okay, so if I have to talk about love, I must be a philosopher, but I'm not a philosopher. Okay, yeah, it's an art. Where do you begin? That's an art. How do you feel it? That's an art. It's all about an art. There's no science behind. Okay, and it comes from the core of your heart. So it's a connection between core to core of hearts. Okay, so fantastic music. Like I said, music helps relax, rethink, regain what? gain the confidence that we get to lose. Okay, that plays around us. Okay, yeah, loved it. It could actually make me emotional, but it's because I was aware. I know many of you, of course, it has to be that you cried, right? And it's because music was the lyrics, especially the lyrics, were what kind of the words of your own, kind of like that, right? So this is how you come up with your own story about your life, right? This is how you decide to express, right? So yeah, it's been actually considered in that way actually. So to have a perfect correlation between the feelings of the audiences, I guess so. All right, so a special thanks to Dami. I just loved it. So if you have got any more preference, please go ahead and feel free to share me the link. And yeah, thank you so much once again. And finally, whoever is there watching this video till now, thank you so much for watching this video till now. And if you have got any preference regarding any sort of videos, go ahead and get me the link below in the comment box. I'd be checking that out and come up, if possible, actually sharing my own reaction over that video to make you happy. All right, so don't just miss it out. Okay. Finally, yeah, this is Arich. It's time to sign off. So I'm signing off for today. Hope to see you on my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and stay excited, being curious about the next video, thinking about the story behind or theme behind, because you don't know nothing about the upcoming video, right? So yeah, stay curious and stay happy. Thank you so much. That's off.
Running!